You're driving.
Okay, so watch where you want to go, and that's where you need to take the steering
Okay,
wheel.
remember, let's turn it like this. Right. Feel like I'll move. Are we going in there? This is entrance to Jilra. Yeah, you're going to see Jilra.
Oh, shame, we got a little bit of grass.
It's actually looking nice.
I know, it is.
Something smells good. What you busy with, my love?
I got some scrambled eggs and bacon going on.
Nice. There's some bacon and egg rolls. It's for the kiddies. Cool. So now you're going to see real life me packing up my camp.
Leroy, no.
Well, those real life conditions. I'm going to have to bring you with me around to the other side now. Cool, I'm out to show you one of my new hacks. Busy working with Jaco at Mr. 4x4 and more. It's my new bin bag. Obviously while camping, collect your rubbish and stuff. We don't leave it here in the bush. I've now, in the development process of Jaco, designed his bag for easy access. Put your stuff in when you're done. Close it up, easy as that. You don't have to undo straps, the bag's already strapped on there. This is a prototype, I'll be testing it. And yeah, I quite like it. I don't know what you guys think. Leave a comment below. Obviously it's not just for garbage. I've used it for garbage because I want to smart outside the car, but you can have your recovery gear in there or whatever else that you need easy access to. And that's it. Camp set up. See you in the next one.
Are you ready? Here we go through the tunnel.
Lights.